What is the Zeta Project? The Zeta Project is an animated series about a robot named Zeta. But Zeta is not an ordinary robot. He was built by the government to be a secret agent. His job was to find and stop dangerous people. Zeta was very smart and could change his appearance to look like anyone. One day, Zeta realized something important. He didn't want to hurt people anymore. He believed in peace and wanted to make his own choices. So, he ran away from the government. Now they see him as a threat and want to capture him. As Zeta escapes, he meets a brave and kind girl named Ro. Ro is a teenager who understands what it feels like to be on the run. She decides to help Zeta and they become best friends. Together, they travel to find Zeta's creator. Zeta hopes his creator can prove that he is not dangerous and let him live freely. Zeta and Ro face many challenges on their journey. The government sends agents to catch Zeta, but he uses his skills to outsmart them. Zeta's ability to disguise himself is a big help. He can change his voice, face, and even his clothes to hide from the agents. But the Zeta Project is not just about running away. It's also about learning what it means to be human. Zeta is a robot, but he has feelings. He cares about people even though he is made of metal and wires. He wants to understand friendship, kindness, and freedom. Ro also learns from Zeta. She sees how someone different from her can still have a good heart. Their friendship grows stronger as they face dangers together. The series is full of action, adventure, and emotional moments. It shows how important it is to choose kindness and to fight for what you believe in. Even though Zeta is just a robot, his story teaches us about courage, trust, and never giving up. If you like stories with robots, exciting chases, and lessons about life, the Zeta Project is a great series to watch. It reminds us that even when the world seems against us, we can find hope and make a difference.